Good afternoon, and welcome back to Child Psychology Online. Today we are, I guess, we're introducing week 5. I've kind of lost track as we had the week off last week. Missed you last week. I missed talking to you and looking at, well, I looked at your discussions and didn't really get a chance to give you any feedback. So pay particular attention to that. All of you did real well. All of you did real well. That was some good thinking. And I'll just mention a couple of people here in a little while. Let's look at the focus of this. This discussion on peanut allergies is a real illustration of one of these issues that parents or caregivers, whatever they are, uh, are are having to overcome as far as the children. I think this is a psychological issue, not just a physical issue, but a psychological issue. And I think a lot of you highlighted this because, to what degree are we responsible for allowing our children to be exposed to different things? And then what is the role in which we have to model, um, whether model care and concern and watching over the children versus modeling to children to try new things and to take chances and all that, because both approaches seem to have positive outcomes later on. You want children to believe that you're looking out for them, but on the other hand, you want children to believe that you think they can try new things and they're not going to fail. And as we read in our textbooks about the psychosocial development or socio-emotional development, we're going to see definitely that that's the way to do it, is to explore this question. And I think that here we go with the peanut allergies that expresses that kind of issue very well. So just mention a couple of yet. I think I'd like to really start with. Well, look at it. There's a contrast here. It's not like as remarkable as like sleeping in the bed with the parents, but it is certainly an issue of here is a new medical procedure, whatever. Nobody would doubt that having a peanut allergy would be definitely a bad thing. But what we would find is that as science and as medicine is coming up with new solutions, to what degree do we allow our children to be exposed to those um, kinds of things? Katina, you gave a real nice breakdown, summary of peanuts, peanut allergies, the research and all. Um, and so I have Joshua, who had really a nice positive um, approach to the peanut allergy treatments and all. And the question is then, does it work? What would happen if if we tested it on more and more and more children? Um, that kind of reliability might really say to parents, this is something really worthwhile to try. And I think I think reading Otelius, you said your daughter is going to undergo some of these allergy treatments. So that's exciting. Here's the thing, though, is that these are children. It's not like you say, oh, well, that didn't work. My child is violently ill. Oops, or something. But, because they're children, we do naturally, I think, tend to have a lot of concern and caution and not wanting to allow our children to be exposed to things. On the other hand, it would be we would be failing if we didn't recognize that trying new things is actually a, a good pattern of behavior to learn, and it would certainly predict positive outcomes in the future. Alexis, I think in particular, Alexis, if you get a chance to read Alexis, I think there was something really, really astounding about that, or something to think about. You know, what if it does work? Yeah, that's fine. But there is a degree to which what is necessary is that somebody is there to monitor children, to pay attention to them, and to catch it when it doesn't, when it starts to go awry, even though it is a treatment, it's not 100% effective or whatever. Catch it, like look for the signs. And what happens? What happens if parents don't monitor, or the situation is such that they really wouldn't get that much of an opportunity to really pay attention in a way that they would need to. So that would be good. So as we go on in this course, in this semester, and continue to look at these different issues of all and all, remember, we can't go back and be children again. So child psychology is not learning how to be a child, but what it is teaching us is, as adults, how can we most positively affect developing children so they can be adults one day and be as wonderful as we are, right? So I hope y'all have a great week. It's good to see you, and I'll see you next week.